Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming. Today we got an awesome project. I just got my beautiful clear case from MacEffects. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna put an Apple IIgs conversion inside this baby. So let's start. First step will be opening the box. Since a lot of people like the graphics of the box and the box itself, I'm gonna take out all the tape with a heat gun and be very careful not to mess with the graphics so I can keep the box nice and tidy. And here comes the unboxing. Goodies! I love goodies! And let's take it out of the bag. It's so pretty. Let's check the README first. Seems like some of the factory people forgot to include some of the parts for the GS. I'm gonna have to deal with that. Let's see what it's included. Clear rubber feet. Ooh, the GS label. Some screws. Oh, the conversion. This is good, but I already have one. Okay, to the right got my donor machine, so let's open this and let's begin to move things around. First, the power supply. Now let's take out the motherboard. As you can see, this is the motherboard that has the connectors for the 2E parts, keyboard and power supply. Well, it's not hard to fit, you just gotta match it with the ports on the back. It has 2 screw holes to screw the motherboard to the base. I think in the meantime, while I have to wait for the parts to arrive, I'm gonna use some padding, some rubber padding to put underneath so it doesn't touch the metal. Now for the power supply, you just use the screws that come with the kit to tighten it up underneath. Screwing the power supply can be a little bit tricky. It feels like it won't fit very well, but you gotta force them a little bit. The rubber feet are very easy. Just peel them out and put them in place. clear case is very nice. It feels strong and just fits right. I surely wasn't gonna wait for the screws that the factory forgot to send. So I looked around and found some screws that are bundled in fans and they fit perfectly, so I used them for that. They look nice. The top part, just like the rest of the case, is very beautiful and pretty strong. Now my favorite part, the labels. These badges are an exact copy of the ones that Apple sent to the people that bought the upgrade for the Apple IIe to the GS. They're just beautiful. So there you go, folks. My complete Apple II GS conversion on clear case. I'm gonna wait for the parts to arrive to test it, but in the meantime, here it is in all its glory. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and if you want, support me in Patreon. See you next time.